Hi and welcome to a new video. My name is Ecom by Nick and today I will show you how I set up my test campaign for TikTok ads. So we are in the TikTok ads manager and how do you get your TikTok ad manager? You go to tiktok.com and slash ads, I think. You can search it on Google, ads manager TikTok, and just follow along. You create a business account a little bit similar to Meta, but much more simpler. You create a account on TikTok, and you create a business account, and then you just download the TikTok app on your Shopify store, and you just follow the settings. You just follow along, and connect it to your business account, and then you get an ad account. And when you get your ad account, it looks like this. And how I run my tester campaigns is a little bit different 2025 against how it was just a year ago. A year ago, I was always running on not smart campaign, manual campaign, but CBOs. And I know I always speak about CBOs in Meta, but in TikTok nowadays I run ABOs, and I will show you why and how. You go up on create, and when you have clicked on create a new campaign, you go on sales, always sales, and I put it on manual campaign. Smart campaign, it's okay, it's a CBO, but today we do manual campaign for our testing. We will not use catalog, and we name it ABO, and then I would put my product, the country, and test. And in this case, we already have our product, of course, so it's the mask hoodie. So ABO mask hoodie UK test, and we don't need to do anything here. We continue because we're going to set up everything on the ad set level, even the budget. So the first ad set we will name ad 1, and this will be more clear soon. We will go for purchase, of course. You can select placement, and we only do TikTok. Advanced settings. I turn off the comments. You can leave them on if you want. If you leave on the comments, just remember that you need to go on, I think it's your dashboard or something, and check your comments all the time. So that's why I put them off, because you will have people, of course, commenting dropshipper and crap, and I didn't receive the product, but it's your first day running the ads, but maybe someone else has sold it before and haven't delivered or something. I take away allow video download because I don't want any stealing my creatives, and this you can leave on if you want. Usually I just uncheck all. Broad targeting is the best solution for most advertisers, and that's correct right now. One thing that has changed with TikTok ads is that you can now target the whole world. Before you could only target the country you're from and some countries around. So I'm from Sweden, that's why it says Sweden, but I can now target United States. We couldn't do that before, so that's really cool. But today we're going for United Kingdom. We're going for 18 plus. And we're going for all. So we leave it all broad. No interest, no devices. We don't touch anything here. Daily budget, we put it on $20. It's 200 Swedish kroner, but $20. And we schedule it for midnight the next day. And here is also something new. You can choose time zone. Before you only had your time zone. And first I thought this was just stupid because I needed to search my time zone all the time. But really, it's really good because if you say you will target United States, and the United States it's like 6 hours from Sweden in time. So then you could put the United States time zone, and it will start at midnight United States. So that's really good. So it's a smart thing. But now we go for the Swedish time because I think it's only 1 hour difference from UK to Sweden, or I know that it's only 1 hour. So then it make it easier for me to check my account in my own time zone. Day parting we leave off. Here we only have conversion because it's quite new ad account. We don't have any target CPA or target ROAS. So what we did in the ad set level, we put the name on was ad 1, and then we just left everything broad, and we put $20 in budget, and we starting it at midnight. Then we go continue. Now we are at the ad level. And at ad level, you should click in use smart creative. And that allows you to have a custom identity. If you don't put in smart creatives, you need to run your ads from a TikTok account. And we will create a new one with a new picture. So let's see which one we will choose. That one may be cool. And we just name it Activen. So, and what this really is, the smart creatives, that was how I tested, actually, my testing strategy before was a CBO with one ad set and smart creative, and here you can put up to 30 ads at once, and then and you can put 5 text, I think, so so it you have a lot of ads. But this is not how we're going to do it this time. We only use smart creative to have a custom identity. I will upload my videos. We have 5 ads, like I said. And we only choose ad 1. So we have 1 ad. And for the text, I usually go with something simple. The offer, buy 2 get 3 today only. Buy 2 get 3 ends midnight. Yeah. Call to action, we can only have shop now. And then we need our URL. And always test your URL. Boom. So then we are done. Then you go to your ad set and you duplicate the ad group. It's ad group on TikTok, ad set on Meta, but yes, ad group. And we will do 4 more, and we will just change the names. Just double checking that everything is copied. Okay, and of course it is. Then we are back. My computer got totally flipped out and turned off, so I had to start all over again, but it's no problem. Yes, so where were we? Yes, now you have 5 ad groups, and in each ad group you have one creative, and it's all different creatives. I'd had 5 creatives, so we have one campaign with 5 ad groups. All ad groups are on $20 or 200 Swedish kroner, and all ad groups have different creatives or different ads. So when you are done, you can just push publish. And this goes live at midnight today. We are now 1 hour from midnight, so it's we go live in 1 hour. And hopefully it will get approved until then, but I think so. Congratulations, we are done with our campaign. So our campaign is an AVO. If we go into the ad group level, we have 5 ad groups, all with one ad, but it's 3 ads, but it's the same ad because we have 3 different captions. So it's one caption here, one caption here, one caption here, but it's the same visuals. And why do I set up my campaigns like this? It's because it's a great way, of course, of testing creatives and which creative will work. And this is then a test for $100 a day. And the lowest you can have on the ad group is $20, 200 kroner. But TikTok is much quicker than Meta, so we don't need to spend, we will not spend $100 tomorrow. I would check back in this this account tomorrow at like maybe noon or something, when I spend 100, when every ad had spent like $10. And then I will decide which ad I will keep going, which ad I will turn off. And hopefully we will have all ads keep going and all is bring out style. But we will see. We will see tomorrow. I have to check back tomorrow at noon. So this is how I do my testing campaign for TikTok. It's quite easy. It's one campaign, 5 ad groups, 1 ad in every ad group, and I do smart creative ads, so I don't need to have a TikTok account. I can do a custom identity. And it also, I think it also gives a little bit more push to have 3 ads in the ad group, but it's the same ad, but because you have 3 captions. So thank you for working with me today and setting up our test campaign for TikTok ads. I hope you found something valuable, and I see you in the next video.